NeverEnuf is a pioneering effort of a hobbyist and is managed by the Rail Modeling Trust, whose objectives are to spread the goodness of this hobby amongst children. Model trains are no toys, nor is making a train layout with operating trains child's play. Yet, it is essential to sow the seeds of this wonderful hobby at a very young age in order to kickstart a journey of a lifetime. NeverEnuf, India's first and only garden train layout, not only showcases the hobby but also engages, excites and inspires the young visitors with its working and animated displays. NeverEnuf excursions are attended by school children of various age groups. From the wows of the very young ones to the hows of the slightly older, the excursion provides all with exposure to technology and how it can be used to have a healthy passion in life, whatever be one's profession.
I want to be small and go in this garden and do lot of things, travel in the train and then go in the ship if I could be small.
Special sessions are also held to explain methods and tricks used to model trees, landscapes, water and structures, the architectural considerations of making a bridge or a building. The use of scratch building, kit making is all illustrated and demonstrated to the visitors.
I hope it will inspire many an impressionable mind. The ambience of the place promotes osmotic learning. It doesn't bother me if they don't take up rail modeling per se. But I know children who visit this place would have got an exposure to something new in their life, and in their minds, new vistas would have opened.
We've come to NeverEnuf with grade 2 children, and I think the children are all over and enjoying the place. But the best part is that they're re-exploring the meaning of hobby. And here children are seeing that a hobby can create a museum itself.